guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for this video, I'm going to make a Christmas lantern or traditional lantern in the Philippines, which we call parol. So Christmas parol or a lantern that has a star or shaped as a star. I have here the material. So first is the wreath ring. So I bought this one in a Dollar Tree store. So this is $1, 14 inches. So I have this one, and then stencils, colorful stencils. These are like the red, gold, and the green. And then I have here pipe cleaners. It has different colors in it: silver, gold, red, and green. And then a ribbon. This one. This is 2 for $1 in a Dollar Tree store, but I already used the other one. And then a star. This is supposed to be like this, but I took off the bottom part, the stand, because I want to put it at the center of the wreath. And then this LED micro wire light. It has 4 pieces inside, 19.5 feet each, so it's 4 pieces for I guess $12 at Sam's. And now first I'm going to show you how I do my parol. So let's start. First we have this wreath, and I'm going to use the green and the red stencils. I have different colors of stencils, but I'm gonna use this one for this wreath. I have this one and also this green. So what I do is I put it together, and then I'm going to use a pipe cleaner. I'm gonna use a red one or the green one, and then I wrap it around so it won't, it will hold onto the wreath. So if ever I'm going to put this outside, even if it's windy, it won't fall off the wreath. Do it like that. And then I wrap it around the wreath. I'm just gonna wrap the pipe cleaner into the wreath. Nagawa ko na yung wreath. Ayan. Combination siya ng green tsaka red. And then, next is ilalagay ko naman yung star sa gitna. Ito yung star. And then, ilalagay ko siya dito sa may gitna. Pero, kasi hindi siya pwedeng ilagay ko lang or idikit ng kung ano-ano. So, ang gagawin ko is, gagamit ako ng pipe cleaner na gold. The top, and then like that. Yan. So I wrap it at the top and then each side. Putting the stars, and it's already sturdy enough that the wind can't blow it off from the wreath. So next is we're going to put the fairy lights. So this fairy light, guys, is battery operated. So this is the fairy light and this is the battery case. So let's just open this one. It has a rubber that seals this off so we can put this outside and will be waterproof. And it already comes with battery in it, so just put the battery on. And I have to be sure that the rubber is aligned really well so the water won't come in whenever it rains outside. Because I'm thinking of putting this one into our window outside, into my husband's office. You can change the load. First, I'm going to wrap this one, hang the case into the wreath. So I hang it here. So I hang it like that at the back. So this is the front. Then I'm just going to wrap the lights to the wreath. Here it is, guys. Already wrapped the lights around the wreath and the stars. So now the next thing to do is put the tail. I don't know what they call that one, but we put like a tail, a tinsel on each side. So we put the tail in this side and also in this side as well. I'm gonna use this stencil. It's color red and gold. This is also $1. I also got it from Dollar Tree. That one. Because I'm gonna divide it into two so I can put it in each side and they have the same length. Four in each side. So I'm just gonna wrap a pipe cleaner, wrap it around like that. Same as on the other side. So it's gonna look like this. So here I already put the tinsel for the tail. And next, I'm going to put the red ribbon here. Just gonna tie it down in here so it looks like that. Now we put the ribbon at the bottom, like this. Here's my creation, guys. This one is a small one. Same as the one that I made today. This is the very first Christmas parole I made. I have a big one as well. I made this one using a hula hoop. So perfect for outside where the house emblem is. This one is what I made today. So that's it, guys. I'm done with my Christmas parole, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you learned something from this video. This is not going to be the last parole that I'm going to make because I asked my husband to buy more material so I can make more, and I'm going to give it to my friends here. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like and subscribe below. And I hope that you have a wonderful Christmas. Bye-bye.